In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable missed call notifications on Google Meet. This feature can be incredibly useful if you often find yourself in meetings and need to know when someone has tried to reach you. Let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to Google Meet. Open up your preferred web browser and head on over to the Google Meet homepage. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in with the Google account that you typically use for meetings. Ensuring you're logged in is key because notification settings are tied to your specific account. Now, you're going to want to access the settings menu. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and it will open up a plethora of options. We're interested in the notification settings today, so look out for the section dedicated to notifications. Once you've found the notifications area, you should see a list of different options. Here, you're primarily looking for anything related to missed call notifications. It might not be labeled exactly as missed call notifications, but look for anything that reflects alert settings for missed video or voice calls within Google Meet. Click on the appropriate checkbox or toggle to enable this feature. Doing so will ensure that you receive alerts for any missed calls. This is especially helpful if you're in back-to-back meetings or if you simply don't want to miss any important communications. Before you wrap up, double-check your settings. You want to ensure everything is configured as intended. It's always a good habit to go back and reread what you've set to avoid any oversights. If need be, you can also adjust any other notification settings that might catch your eye during this review. Once satisfied with your settings, make sure to save your changes. It sounds basic, but this is a step many people forget, and without it, none of your adjustments will take effect. So, find that Save button, usually located at the bottom of the settings menu, and give it a click. Finally, consider testing to confirm that everything's working smoothly. You might ask a colleague to give you a quick call on Google Meet while you're unavailable, just to check that the missed call notifications appear as expected. Testing helps you clear out any potential issues before they become inconvenient. And that's it. Now you should be all set up to receive missed call notifications on Google Meet, ensuring you stay informed even during the busiest times. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital tools.